How do you usually do simple things on your Mac? Copying something from your phone? Capture a quick idea before it disappears? Or switch between something that you're working on without losing place? If any of that still feels manual, then your Mac has a better way to do it. You're just not using it. These are not hidden tricks. They are not advanced settings. These are features on your Mac, built in, ready to go, that most people walk past every single day. First one, and it's the simplest. How do you usually check what's inside a file? Most people double-click, app opens, file loads, takes a moment. But there's a faster way. Click on any file once to select it, then hit the spacebar, and you see instant full preview. No app open, no loading time. Press the spacebar again, and it's gone. If you go through files regularly, this single action saves minutes every single day. This is a small but extremely useful feature, and I love to use it every single day. Let me ask you this. How many times do you type same thing, whether it's your name, your email address, your company name, your phone number? On your Mac, there's a built-in feature called text replacement. On right side, you will notice text replacement. Click on it. Here, click on this plus symbol. In the first tab, type 2 to 3 characters. Now type the actual text. Click on Add. In this window, if you notice, I have already some text replacement commands preset. Now use this text command in any app like Safari, Mail, and just to accept it, press the spacebar, just like that. Set 5 of these for the things that you type most, and you will wonder why you were missing this feature till now. Most people navigate Finder by clicking back button, forward button, but let me show you a few Finder commands that will change the way you use Finder every single day. Notice these two keys, the square brackets right next to letter P. If you're in a Finder window, by pressing Command plus left bracket, you go back. And if you press Command plus right bracket, you go forward. No mouse, no clicking the back or forward button. Here's another one that most people never expect. Watch, I just renamed this file incorrectly. Now I can press Command plus Z to undo what I did. On Macs, undo works not only in apps or in files, but also in Finder. You may know this trick already, however I can assure you there are a majority of Mac users who have no idea of it. If you're coming from Windows computers, you cut, copy, or paste. It's pretty simple on Windows computers. On Mac, it becomes challenging for majority of users to find the cut option. Let me show you what most users do every single day. They select a file, they copy it, go to a different directory, paste that file, go back to previous directory, and delete it. And that is absolutely inconvenient and time-consuming. So let me show you how you can cut files, folders in macOS. So the first method is open Finder window. Press Command T to open a tab in your Finder window. Just like the way you open tabs in your web browsers, you can open in Finder too with Command T together. Now you have two separate windows. If you wish to move a file or folder from one directory to another, all you can do is press and hold the file or folder and drop it in the other window. However, if you're looking for that traditional method, select a file or folder, Ctrl+C to copy it. Now in this window, you don't have to simply press Command and V. You need to actually press and hold Option button on the keyboard and then press Command and V. How often do you open a PDF or image and need to do something simple? Sign it, crop it, annotate it or merge it with another document. Most people think they need some third-party app. But built-in Apple's Preview app does more than most people ever discover. Open a PDF or an image. In the toolbar at the very top, if you click on this button, it will show you another toolbar that gives you access to many other features. Like right from here, you can add text in the file. You can add signature. If you click on this tab, you can create a signature. Now, whenever there's a document that requires your signature, all you need to do is click on this and drag your signature any way you want in the file. You can conveniently change the orientation of an image or PDF document. The Preview app does a lot more than that. We made a dedicated video on Preview app. If you wish to check that out, I'll drop the link in description. What does your desktop look like when you're in middle of work? One pile of open windows, work mixed with personal, browser tabs everywhere, constantly moving things around to find what you need. So let me show you something that will make your work and everything so seamless. Create multiple desktop windows. 3 fingers, swipe up, that is mission control. Now if you notice at the right side top corner, there's a plus symbol. Click on it and that will instantly create desktop number 2. You can create multiple desktops from this button. And now you can assign these desktops for different purposes. One you can use for work, one you can use for personal stuff, and another you can use for probably a random research or social media or whatever. To switch between these desktops, all you have to do is simply use 3 fingers, swipe right or left, or you can also use Ctrl plus right and left arrow keys. This next one is a combination of 3 things working together. You're working on something, deep in documents, focused, and a thought comes to you, an idea, a task that you cannot forget. In a situation like that, what do? A lot of users, they pick pen and paper and they start making notes, or probably they start making some stickies. That entire process takes approximately 30 seconds and breaks your entire focus. So here's the better way. Let me help you. Get to System Settings. Click on Desktop and Dock. On right, scroll it down till the bottom and look for hot corners. Let's assign Notes app to right side bottom corner. But this is not it. Click on Keyboard. First of all, check if Dictation is enabled. If it is not, then enable it now. And then also enable auto punctuation. Right above this, check Shortcut. If it is set to, press twice the globe icon. That's wonderful. If it is not, go ahead and do it now. Move the cursor to the right side bottom corner. Notes app comes up. You'll find this globe button left side very bottom corner of your keyboard. Press it twice. And now start speaking whatever you want. And this app is going to take your note without you typing anything. Once done, press that button again. If you work on multiple apps simultaneously, then a Stage Manager is something worth trying. As soon as you enable this, your active window takes center stage. Everything else sits in the strip on the left, visible, accessible, but out of the way. Click on anything on left, it comes forward and previous app steps back. So switching between apps becomes seamless. You can also group these apps together. You can drag any app on the main window and they will group together and they will work as one. This is not for everyone. You can just try it for a day if you use multiple apps like I mentioned earlier. Anyways, I'm done in this video. I'm pretty much sure some of these features you already knew you have been using, but some probably are new to you. If you found something really valuable in this video, don't forget to type me in the comment section and also hit that like button, subscribe Crazy Errors for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. If you're ready to step up, here's the next video for you. Until next time, you take care of yourself and I will see you in the next one.